Hi there. Today we're going to talk about simplifying fractions. Simplify, simple, means make things easier to understand. When we simplify a fraction, we're going to take a fraction that's too large for us to really get a good idea of what we're talking about. For example, if I say 32/40ths of the people at a party were wearing black clothes. 32/40ths, it's hard for me to picture. Sounds like a lot, but I'm really not sure what that would look like. So what I want to try to do is I want to try to divide the numerator and denominator by the same number so I can get an equivalent fraction, but one that has smaller numbers, bigger pieces that I can understand. So I want to look at the numerator and the denominator, or rather just the numerator, I'm sorry, and I want to factor the numerator. I want to think in my head, what are the numbers that give me this when I multiply? Well, 1 times 32, 2 times 16, 4 times 8. Those are the factors of 32. Now I want to look at those same numbers and see which one of these are also factors of 40. Start with the biggest, work to the smallest. Is 32 a factor of 40? No, I can't count by 32. It's 32, 64. I never said 40. Is 16 a factor of 40? No. 16, 32, 48. Nope, didn't say 40. How about 8? Is 8 a factor of 40? 8, 16, 24, 32, 40. Hey, it is! So we're going to divide both of these numbers by 8. 32 divided by 8 is 4. 40 divided by 8 is 5. And now I can understand 4/5 a whole lot better than 32/40ths. They're the exact same amount. They're the exact same amount. The only difference, these are in 5 big pieces and these are in 40 little bitty pieces. It's a lot easier for me to understand 4/5. Hey, I got 5 fingers, there's 4 of them. That's what it would be. This many out of the total. Okay? A lot easier for me to understand 4 out of 5 than 32 out of 40. Let's have you try one. Let's do 12/16. Let's think of the factors of 12. What gives you 12? 1 times 12, 2 times 6, 3 times 4. And now let's see which numbers up here are also factors of 16. Start with the biggest, work to the smallest. Is 12 a factor of 16? 12, 24. No. Is 6 a factor of 16? 6, 12, 18. No. Is 4 a factor of 16? 4, 8, 12, 16. Hey, it is. So we're going to divide both of these numbers by 4. That would be 4. That would be 4. 12 divided by 4 is 3. 16 divided by 4 is 4. And 12/16 is the exact same amount as 3/4. The only difference, big pieces here, small pieces there. Okay? Exact same total amount though. Exact same amount. All right. Once you get good at that, and you know your multiplication facts pretty well, you can kind of stop putting the factors at the top, and you can just start thinking about the numerator and the denominator. Let me show you what I mean. If we had 21/28, 21/28. Well, if you know your multiplication facts, think of a number. What number would you count by where you would have 21 and 28 in the list? Do you know what the number is? Sure you do. It's 7. We would divide both of these by 7. 21 divided by 7 is 3. 28 divided by 7 is 4. So 21/28, if I simplify it, is 3/4. Get the idea? Pay attention in class. Keep working hard. You'll get it sooner or later. We'll see you next time.